The other day, Rob and I took the Jeep down to visit my mom's cemetery or whatever for Mother's Day. And while we were down there, we went down to my dad's house in Shelby Township, picked up this trailer, and picked up the golf cart. Funny story, this thing has no tie down loops or whatever inside. So I figured we would just use these wheel chocks and lock the brake because it's so heavy, it's not like it's gonna move anywhere. I moved it, I checked it, and I thought that the brake was on. It wasn't. So now the door doesn't close all the way unless you give it a kick. And this hinge is kind of bent out, so I'm gonna whack it with a hammer later. But I also don't have ramps for this trailer, and if you notice, the door opens this way instead of this way. So I think what I'm gonna do is back the trailer up to this like cliff here as far as I can get and see if I can get it to sort of bottom out on the grass and then just drive the golf cart right out. I'm sure it's not gonna work like that, but actually work. Right out well.
Dad, why do I feel like this is going to end badly?
I mean, because that's how most of these things end for me.
You've had a lot of brilliant nights. Subscribe to my channel. Wow, Ian Ashton.
I feel like this is a no-brainer, right? Like I gotta be able to make this.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's almost like I told you this was going to end badly.
All right, my plan now, I think, is gonna be if I can get the back of the cart, all right. If I can get the back of the cart sitting all the way on the ground, then I should be able to just move the trailer out slowly to like lower it down. So I'm gonna try that. Alright, so I did successfully tear up the grass. My hope was that this thing would come out, like stay planted in the ground and just sort of pull out slowly, which didn't happen. it out. So, golf cart lives to fight another day. I don't even think I broke anything, which is good. So, let's see. Oh, let's hit reverse. Oh, yeah. This thing's a champ. Park it in the garage. Get that thing back up on the driveway. Ready to rock. This does not have a lot of speed when it goes up the driveway, that's for sure. Got too many vehicles here right now. Oh, this will fit right there perfectly.